See, when I turn my steering wheel, you already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, subscribe to the channel. JATV. What is going on, YouTube, man? It's your boy JamesAtkinsTv, and thanks in advance for tapping in with your boy in today's vlog. Ladies and gentlemen, this vlog today has been in a long time coming, because I don't know if you guys remember back when I told you guys I was experiencing some truck issues, but today I'm going to finally let's just clean the slate on all those truck issues. The last thing that I was dealing with was this weird squeaky noise, and I went to my guy Alex over at Southern Tire. He got it diagnosed for me, so I got to go back and see Josh at Monster Customs, and let's get directly into the vlog, guys. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what's going on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm outside and I'm in the truck, and the moral of today's vlog is go to a reputable shop that warranties their work, okay? To be very clear, this is not a Monster Customs issue. This is a ReadyLift issue, from what I understood from my research. Long story short, the extension rod that connects the steering components to the actual lift kit, the suspension lift kit, that is causing a very loud squeaking noise when I drive. Now I'm going to see if it comes up on camera, but if it doesn't come up on camera, then just know there's a squeaking noise when I turn my steering wheel. So let's see if I can get an audio of this. See, when I turn my steering wheel, I don't know if you guys can hear that squeaking noise. That is the noise that I am hearing, and it progressively got worse over time, but at this point, I am just tired of hearing it altogether. It took a long time for ReadyLift to send in the part to get, it took a long time for ReadyLift to send in the part so that I could actually get the warranty replacement, but it is finally here. I actually have the part in my truck myself, so I'm probably gonna be a little late. So Josh, if you're seeing this, man, I'm sorry. I'm generally a very punctual individual, but nonetheless, guys, let's go over and get up to Monster Customs. Let's talk to these guys. Let's get this work done. Alright guys, I'm up here at Monster Customs, and I'm thinking about getting some sound system. I can't record long, but this Helix system goes crazy, super loud. 10-inch sub, or should I go with a kicker, guys? This is gonna be around 5 to 6K. This system is gonna be around 4K. Tell me what y'all think. Oh man. Guys, we are done. The work has been completed. And I was just talking to Josh, man. I hope that, hope I don't have this issue come back at all. So, before I leave here, gotta test it. Just gotta test it out first. Let's see. That's just the steering itself. No squeaking at all, guys. Nice. Alright. It is safe to say that I am satisfied. I don't have to deal with that squeaking anymore, because that was really starting to get on my nerves. These guys always move my seat. There we go. But I'm super relieved that the squeaking is done. Shout out to Monster Customs, shout out to Josh, Alejandro, everybody in the Monster Customs team. If you guys need some work done, man, and you know what I'm saying, you really want some quality work where you know they're gonna take care of their work and make sure it's done complete, lifetime warranty. They're not the cheapest, but you get some good work, man. Monster Customs out in Marietta. They do a great job. thank you to Ready Lift for sending that warranty replacement part, because they don't even make the 7-inch Ready Lift anymore from my understanding. And if I'm not mistaken, it's because of this issue. So that being said, ladies and gentlemen, man, if you're still tapped in, still tuned in, man, what do you guys think I should get as far as next modification to the truck? Thinking about the sound system that I was just showing you guys on the inside. So let's have a conversation down below, man. Drop a comment. 10-inch sub, equalizer, amplifier, all the good stuff, all the bells and whistles, a whole full system. Should I go with the more budget-friendly option, or should I just go ahead and go all the way with it? Drop a comment down below. Let's get 30 likes on this video as well, man. 30 likes on this video so we can, you know what I'm saying, show some love to the channel. And yeah, if you're still tuned in, still tapped in with your boy, man, I really appreciate you for joining. Thank you for watching. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, JamesAtkinsTv. We out.